If you are working with Excel data that contains multiple sheets, Tableau makes it easy to import and use them for analysis. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to upload an Excel file with multiple sheets to Tableau step by step, even if you have zero experience. This helps you combine and analyze data from different sheets in one place. To get started, open Tableau Desktop on your system. On the Start page, under the Connect section, click on Microsoft Excel. Browse your computer and select the Excel file that contains multiple sheets. Then click Open. Once the file is loaded, you will be taken to the Data Source page. On the left side, you will see all the available sheets from your Excel file listed individually. You can now drag and drop any sheet into the main workspace to start using it. If you want to use multiple sheets together, you have two main options. The first option is to use joins. Drag one sheet into the workspace, then drag another sheet next to it, and define a join condition. This is useful when both sheets share a common column like an ID. The second option is to use unions. If your sheets have the same structure, you can drag one sheet below another to create a union. This combines rows from multiple sheets into a single dataset, which is useful for stacking similar data. You can also clean and transform your data using the Data Source tab. Rename columns, change data types, or remove unnecessary fields before moving to visualization. After setting up your data, click on Sheet to start building charts and dashboards. You can switch between different sheets and create visualizations based on your combined data. Make sure to review your data carefully to ensure everything is connected correctly. Proper joins or unions are important for accurate analysis. In short, uploading an Excel file with multiple sheets to Tableau involves connecting the file, selecting sheets, combining them using joins or unions, and preparing the data for visualization. Now that you know the process, try importing your own Excel file and start analyzing your data effectively in Tableau. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.